Jessie here. I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a quickie. It is a Grove collaborative haul. So I've spoken with you guys before on several occasions now about Grove Collaborative. It is an online retailer where you can get natural cleaning products, you can get personal care products, lots of great stuff. It is a monthly membership, but you don't have to have things shipped monthly. You can pick and choose when you want things shipped. You can ship now. So basically, it's just a really good resource to get super great natural cleaning products, personal care products. I think they even have some baby products and things now. It's always expanding. I'm going to leave my link for it down below. If you sign up through that link and make a purchase, you can get some free stuff. I think it's right now a 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's cleaning product bundle. So it's like a gift with purchase thing. I'm stumbling over my words here. Let's just get into it. It's a very small haul. I just picked up a few things. They're all repurchases, things I'm really loving right now that I was running out of. So first I got the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. These are really nice. I like that they are, you know, this sort of natural color. I don't know why. I like that. Whatever. Everything in here is packaged really, really well. So I've never had anything leak. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the rustling. I've never had anything leak or spill. It's packed really good with all this paper. Oh my gosh, so much paper. But now we have the products. So we have the Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner. This is my favorite scent. It's the lime and sea salt scent. I love it. I love this green color. It's one of my favorite colors. Not that that matters in terms of the cleaning product, but it's my favorite scent and my favorite color right now, so I'm all about that life. I also picked up the dish soap. You guys have seen me haul the Mrs. Meyer's dish soaps before. I do still really like those. I think the scents are great, but I like the Method better. I feel like it works a little bit better. So there's that. I also love the pump. I picked up the Method Lime and Sea Salt hand soap as well, so I have the little trio of products. And lastly is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. I thought I ordered 2 of these, so I need to check. Maybe they had one that's coming in a separate order. But that is it for my little haul. I'm all stocked up on some of my all-time favorites. That Method brand is really, really good. I like it a lot. Definitely recommend the Method products over all of the other products on the site. The Method ones seem to be my favorite. I love the degreaser. I love all of the all-purpose cleaners. The scents are great. And the packaging is really, really nice. So, yeah, that's it. Just a quick little haul. Thought I would share with you guys the items that I am loving right now. This dish soap is the best. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out Grove Collaborative in the description box below if you are interested. And check back soon for cleaning videos featuring some of these products, because I'm definitely due for another cleaning video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!